Good morning everyone. In this video we are talking about articles. Okay, articles a and the. Now this can be very confusing, so please make sure you pay careful attention. When we use articles and before they use article and before vowels. But what is vowel and how many it is? So there are some alphabet A to Z and there are some vowels. So what is A? Okay, A, E, E, O, A, E, O, I, U. These are vowels. But you know what? You are in 5th class, so you have to know other vowels. So Y is also a vowel. But sometime, not every time, but sometime means कभी कभी Y भी vowel बन जाता है. So Y is vowel and consonant both. So how many vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And Y sometime. So write here and B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y. You can say Z or Z both. Okay, so these are consonants. Before consonant we use A or the, and before vowels we use N. So now do you know what is vowel sound? A vowel is a particular kind of speech sound made by changing the shape of upper vocal tract, or we can say the area in the mouth above the tongue. जो भी हमारे जीभ के ऊपर की चीजें होती हैं वहां से हमारा जो साउंड निकलता है, these are called vowels. So you have to speak with me. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, repeat with me. A, E, I, O, U. So when we place article N, you always remember that you place the article in front of the word beginning with the vowel. For example, apple. So apple, because there is so we have to write an apple. Elephant, because E is here, so we have to write an elephant. Ice cream, so we have to write an O. Orange, and okay. There are some exceptions, so you have to know. Honest. So why we should use N before honest? Because there is H and H is not a vowel, because H is silent. There is no sound of H. Honest, not honest. क्या आप honest कहते हैं? Honest, H का sound नहीं निकलता है, O का sound निकलता है. Honest. So speak like me. Honest. Now let's come to article A. When we are talking about something in general, so you want to say a book, a ship. right here. A book, a ship. So, and a sandwich. Why we are talking about A? Because we are talking about something in general. Okay. Another tip for remember, consonant. Consonant means these are consonant, B, C, D and all that. Okay. A, E, I, O, these are vowel. So, B, C, D, these are consonant. So, when we are talking about consonant, B is a consonant, S is a consonant. So, we have to use A before this. So, we have to remember that when we have placed article A in the sentence, it necessarily has to be before a consonant, like this and like this. I'll give you some more example. A cat, a dog. You have to write a dog, a cat. Okay. Another tip to remember is first time. First time means when we are talking about something for the first time. For example, I saw a beautiful flower. You don't know which flower? I don't know. So, a beautiful flower. So, we have to, why I saw a beautiful, because you have mentioned about the tree for first time. Now, this is brilliant book. This is a brilliant book. So, we have to put in a in the blank. Because I am talking about a book in general. Am I telling you about the Shakespeare book? No. Am I telling you about the particular book? No. This is a general book. So, I have to write a. This is a brilliant book. If I say lion is dangerous, only one lion is dangerous. So I have to write here a lion is dangerous. There is no particular lion, but a lion. I don't know which lion. So we have to say a lion is dangerous. Next is the. When we use the actually the is related to article A. Okay, but I'm telling you now how is this possible. If you wanna place article the in a sentence, that you got remember one thing. Whenever we are talking about a specific thing, and second time opposite the article A or N, these are first time we are okay. So we use first time, but in the article the we have to use second time. Second time, what is second time? For example, I ate pear. Okay, this is a full stop. I ate pear. I ate a. So this is consonant. So I have to write a. I ate a pear. But now we are talking about this pear second time. Second time, the pear was sweet. The pear was sweet. The pear was sweet. So, I watched a movie So this is a full stop. The movie was fun because this is second time, this is first time. Now I'm going to more examples to clear what is the difference between articles a and or the. So this is enough for today. I hope you got what is articles and what is consonants and when we will use article in or the. Okay, till then, bye.